just want the shot, we just want the shot and feel my body giving in.